What used to take months to catch, or sometimes even years to catch, is now being flagged before your refund even processes. And I say this with personal experience. I say it because I understand the environment and make better decisions. The IRS made the rules, they built the system, and now they are giving it a brain. And that's just the reality of where we live. Now let's talk about why your refund may not look the way you were expecting. There is a program most people have never heard of called the Treasury Offset Program. Any closer to your bank account for a refund, it passes through this filter the government is checking. Does this person owes us any money, or anyone connected to this person owes us any money, anything at all? If the answer is yes, they take action automatically. No negotiations, no warning phone calls, it just gets intercepted. So let me show you exactly what can trigger this. Reason number one, unpaid federal taxes from prior year. If you have an outstanding balance with the IRS from a previous year, even a year you thought you settled, even a year you forgot about, they will apply your current refund directly to the balance before it even hits your account. This is the most common ones that I see. Someone files a clean return this year, expects a refund, and it never arrives because their 2021 or their 2022 had a balance that they never fully resolved, and the IRS didn't forget. They never forget. They just wait until you had enough money coming back to collect from them. They just wait until you had money coming back to collect it. Reason number two, state tax debt. Most people think that state and the federal government don't talk to each other, and that's actually true to some point. But when they have some debt to collect from you, they can go as far as they need to, and they can put that collection into the IRS. State tax agencies can submit claims to your federal offset program. So even if your federal return is perfectly clean, if you owe your state from a prior year, your federal return can be intercepted and sent directly to the state. You file federally, get nothing back, and you're trying to figure out what happened. Reason number three is unemployment overpayments. This one's still catching people off guard years later. During COVID, unemployment benefits went to a scale, and the system had never handled it before. A lot of people received unemployment benefits that was technically not calculated correctly by the agency themselves, or it was overpaid. And now they're finally catching up to it, and those amounts are actually getting reported to the collections program. If you received unemployment during that period and never received any kind of notice about an overpayment, that does not mean it does not exist. Check before you count on a refund. Reason number four, back child supports. Every year, this one surprises people. Every single year. If you are behind on your child support, the state submits the balance to the federal offset program. Your refund gets intercepted immediately. Doesn't matter how clean your return is. Doesn't matter if your preparer did everything perfectly. That money goes directly to satisfy the support obligations. And I want to be very clear about this. This has nothing to do with your tax preparer. I have seen people blame their accountant for this. Your preparer didn't lose your money. The liability existed before you even sat down with them. And the offset program just did what it is designed to do. Reason number five, federal student loan in default. This one had a pause on it, and the federal student loan offsets were suspended during the COVID period. And a lot of people got used to that protection being there, and it's gone now. If you are not sure about where you stand with your loan, you need to find out before you assume a refund is even coming. I've got a full-length video of this topic that goes over all the nuances that you probably want to know. Click the link below to find out more.